Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Those who garden have two major problems. First, the insect attacks. Second, our plants not growing well. So, today's video, I will tell you about how my mom handles these two problems of our plants. Today, I will tell you about a magic liquid, but first I'll tell you how to make it, then I'll tell you how you can use it to your plants. It has very less cost but very effective, and you can make it at home easily. I hope you all know what this is. Yes, this is an orange. No, we don't need the orange. We only need the orange peel. In this season, instead of orange, you can also get sweet lemon very easily. So instead of using orange peels, you can use any sweet lemon peel or any citrus fruit peel. First, cut the peel into small pieces and put the peels in a big jar like this. We'll make 1 liter of this magic liquid. For this, we need a jar of 2-liter capacity. The second item to make this magic liquid is none other than jaggery. Instead of jaggery, brown sugar could be also taken. And the last item is none other than the water. But the most important is the proper ratio of 3 items that I have used. Now I will say the ratio of citrus peel, jaggery and water. It is 300 grams citrus peel, 100 grams jaggery and 1 liter water. So the ratio is 3:1:10. After making this solution, you must keep this much space free. The reason is after its reaction, it may produce some gases. Next important tip is to how to release the gas day by day. Just see how my mom released the gas. Just loosen the cap and then close it. For the first 7 days, you need to daily release the gas. So first, loosen the cap every 7 days. Then do it at an interval of 15 days and then do it at an interval of 1 month for 3 months. Oh, and always remember to write the date when you created it in somewhere. It may be the cap or somewhere else. After 3 months, your magic liquid will be ready to use. Just stain the liquid and then store it in an airtight clean jar and you can use it for a long time. Now let me tell you how you can use it. Just dilute 5 to 10 ml of this magic liquid in 1 liter of water. First, mix it well and then give it to your plant. You can directly give it to the soil or give it on the foliage. This magical liquid is very useful for plant growth. It also helps in repelling pests without using pesticides. This magic liquid can also enhance photosynthesis in plants and increase soil's organic matter. As a result, plants will get more nutrients and their roots can absorb more air. These magical liquids are the key when it comes to building fertile soil. It's a natural fertilizer. It can easily make a barren land fertile. Now the question comes to our mind, what is this very magical fertilizer that I have been telling you all? Some might have already guessed it. Yes, this is the bioenzyme fertilizer. Make it for yourself and use it on your plants, and then make sure to tell us the changes you have seen while using this on your plants. Like this, we have made many other videos about bioenzyme, so make sure to watch that video. Bioenzyme can be made with fruits peel, vegetable peel and flower petals also. We will also put the bioenzyme playlist on the end screen, so if you want, you can watch it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.